Guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So, for today's video, I am very excited because it is a makeup tutorial, and I have not done a makeup tutorial in so long. They take a very long time to film and edit. In the past few months, life has been crazy, and I've actually, like in the past few weeks, especially been uploading pretty consistently, but as you notice, they're not makeup looks. And I'm actually 5 or 6 months behind my Sweet Sparkle beauty box videos. And the last unboxing that I did from Sweet Sparkle is the Holographic Magic unboxing. But I never ended up doing the tutorial. Life got crazy and then I got way behind on my tutorials and filming them and things like that. So today I finally did the Holographic Magic makeup look. And if you're unfamiliar with Sweet Sparkle, it's a monthly beauty subscription service. It's about 2 years old now, 2 or 3 years old now, and they are the only beauty subscription service featured around an entire look. So they, except for foundation, powder, primer, products to create an entire look with around a certain theme or look. And I absolutely love that. It makes me branch out into new looks and products, kinds of products that I would have never tried before, and I could never see myself trying a Holographic Magic look, but I really like it, and I found a lip product that I'm absolutely obsessed with that was in this box. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. And I really do like how this look turned out. It's very different for me and has a few different twists to it. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Sweet Sparkle sent me a few boxes last year and the year before that, and then I just continued the subscription because I just adored this subscription so much. They definitely don't get enough love for how awesome they are, and I'll go ahead and link them down below if you're interested in subscribing. It is $21 a month. They have different payment plans, but if you don't do the annual subscription, the price does go up. So I'll have the info down below. This video is not sponsored by them, and I purchased this year's subscription with my own money. With that being said, if you want to see how I created this Holographic Magic tutorial, makeup tutorial with products from the Holographic Magic box, then just keep watching. And I've said that like 9 times. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial and how I created this look. For every one of my makeup tutorials, there are just products that I use every single time, no matter what the look is, or the theme, or whatever you want to call it. So I figured I would start with those first because foundation, primer, or primer, foundation, powder, stuff like that, like, it doesn't matter the tutorial, like, I still use them. So I go ahead and do those first before I start filming, just so that I don't have to show it every single time, because I'm sure you guys would get sick of those. And I'm sure those of you that have been around for even like the shortest amount of time know what foundation and primer and powder I use. Well, powder I kind of switch up, but foundation and primer that I use. So I don't want to get too repetitive with those products, so I just go ahead and do them every single time, and it saves time on the video, so it's not too long, because my makeup tutorials tend to be a little bit longer, and then also so that it saves time. But I'll go ahead and show them to you guys. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time talking about them just because I always do. So my primer, I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is silicone-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free, and I love this because even though you wash your hands before you do your makeup, touching your face all the time isn't great. I used to be a terrible culprit of that, especially in school. Like, I would rest my hand on my head, or like when I'm bored, and so no matter how much you wash your hands, like, there's still bacteria, so it's not great to be touching your face all the time. So I like primer water. I don't really know if it does anything for my makeup as far as staying on longer, as opposed to like lotion consistency type product primers. I like to think I'm priming, so this is just what I use. Kind of going out of order just because of whatever is first. This is the powder that I'm going to use today. I haven't used powder yet, so I'll show you guys that step. I don't know why, but I'll just show you. So this is a powder that I have been using recently. It's the Rimmel London Stay Matte Translucent. The lid has kind of had a little accident, rolled it over with my wheelchair. Real life. Okay, on accident, of course. I know this is kind of out of order, but this is the foundation that I use. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup, and it took me forever to find a foundation that didn't break me out and has super full coverage, because that's just something that's important to me. I'm in the shade Ecru, and this is just something like, it's a staple that I can't live without, so I love this. The only thing that bothers me about this product for as often as I use it is the amount of ingredients. I just haven't found a foundation that replaces this that's natural. So I want to try to find a more natural alternative, because they don't even list the ingredients on here, which means that it's really bad. But if you use a natural foundation with all natural ingredients, let me know the brand down below so I can look into it and maybe try a couple. And then my last staple product that never changes every tutorial is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade Light, if you're wondering. So those are all the products that I use every single time that I do my makeup or do a tutorial. Those are just the products that never change. So rather than taking the time to do all of that in front of the camera every single time, I just thought it'd be best to show you guys just a quick little glimpse. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this holographic makeup tutorial. And don't forget, I will be letting you know which products were included in the box once I use them. Every single product that I mention or use in this video will be in the description below for you guys. Anyways, now that we have all the staples out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. Well, this is all makeup, but let's get into it. So for some reason, I didn't use my powder yet, so I'm gonna do that using this fluffy brush from e.l.f.
Wish I could feel what I can't see. Float like a butterfly, scream like a banshee. Something's hiding in the pantry, but I can't find it, so would you please?
I do not do this step very neatly. I just kind of put it on. We're using a different kind of eyeshadow that I've never used before, but I'm still going to use eyeshadow primer just to make sure that it really is, it helps it be more vibrant and stay on longer and better. So this is just the e.l.f. eyelid primer in the shade Sheer, like I said. And this was actually in another previous Sweet Sparkle box. This isn't included in this box that I'm talking about today. Set for a bit, and I go back and then I do other steps of my makeup. So next I'm going to use the Mary Kay bronzing powder. I'm in the shade Light Medium.
I wanna know when my eyes are open.
Next I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, and I'm in the shade Taupe. And I lost the cap for the spoolie side, but that's okay. Are done, I am going to move on to eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, I got these stupid hiccups. So for the eyeshadow, I will actually only be using one product because of the kind of product it is. This is the main focus of the look, so they only want you to use, well, not want you, like it's makeup, you can do whatever you want, but this is the main focus. You're only going to have one thing on your eyelids if you recreate this look, and that is this product. This is by the brand J-Cat, the Prismetal Chrome Eyeshadow, Chrome Eye Mousse, and I think that I said that's by the brand J-Cat, and this was in the Sweet Sparkle Holographic Magic box, and this is in the shade Holography Types. So I've never worked with an eye mousse before. I'm a little nervous, but here we go. Okay, this is freaking awesome. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. As you can see, I made it's not perfect, so I'm gonna get a Kleenex and clean this up. Because I am not a professional, I just play with makeup and share it with you guys. I'm gonna try something with a brush. Don't try that. Well, that idea didn't work. Don't try the brush. On the sides, it just kind of went a little haywire here. With new products, I think you just gotta kind of play with it and just try a new technique. But here's what it looks like so far. Okay, it's so pretty and different. Oh my god. I feel like the look is coming together already just with this eyeshadow. I'm so excited. So this was also in the Holographic Magic box, and this is the Dome Magnetic Lash Mascara, and that makes me really nervous. I don't know why, it just sounds scary. But I have such stubby lashes, like you can't even tell I have eyelashes because I barely have eyelashes. So I am still going to use my tinted lash primer, and this is by the brand Benefit Cosmetics, and this is their real tinted primer. I'm going to use this anyways. I don't know if you're supposed to use a tinted primer with magnetic lash or if it will make the mascara not work. I don't know, but here we go. So this tinted lash primer is mine and not included in the box. I fast forward really quickly through mascara because I just look weird when I put it on. Okay, here goes the magnetic lash mascara. I'm super nervous. I've never used anything like this. Look at that applicator. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared right now. Okay, this is the Dome Magnetic Lash. I don't care for this mascara, to be honest. I just don't have lashes that curl. That's why I don't curl them. If you didn't know, some lashes just naturally cannot curl, and I have those lashes, and it kind of like brings them down because like they seem really flat right now. And usually with like regular mascara, like this is my tinted primer, but usually with regular mascara they're still like up and you can like see them still. But this, I don't know, man, it just like this eye especially, it just like brings them down and like straight out. I don't know, instead of like up and like lengthening. I don't care for that mascara, this mascara. I'll probably fill this out. I don't really know. Well, this is hands down one of the worst mascaras I've ever tried. My lashes look so bad right now. Especially this eye. Like, my eyelashes have never looked so bad. This is why I do this video, to kind of test things out and kind of recreate the look they're going for, to see if the products really look how they do in the card. I'm going to apply highlighter, and I'm going to use a highlighter by the brand Ofra Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Blissful. I can't get over how messy this looks. My eyelashes look. They look like they're like straight out and like clumpy, and like, that's like the worst mascara I've ever tried. I feel like that kind of helped to bring the look together a bit. So next I'm going to use another product that was in the Holographic Magic box, and this is by the brand Hikari, and this is a lip and cheek stick in the shade Delicate, but I'm not going to be using it as a lipstick. I'm going to be using it as a cheek stick because they already included a couple lip products they want me to use in the Holographic box, Magic box. So I'm actually going to, with blush sticks, if I just do it merely from the stick, I feel like I lose a ton of control and then I look like a clown. So I'm going to take this really dense e.l.f. brush, it's a blush brush, and I'm going to put some of this on the brush because it is so dense. I think that'll help give me some control. I do my makeup in unconventional ways sometimes, and I don't care because I don't claim myself as a professional. I'm just sharing my love for makeup with you guys. Really intimidating, but now it just looks super natural. Oh my gosh, all we have left is the lip products. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I just feel like this tutorial went by super fast for some reason. So we have 2 lip products I want us to do for this Holographic Magic look, and I'll show you what I mean by 2 lip products. We have a lipstick, and then we have a gloss that we're going to put over the lipstick. And that's what's going to tie in the Holographic Magic look. So the lipstick that was included in the Holographic Magic box is by the brand P.O Cosmetics. Love P.O Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Naked. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but this Hikari cheek and lipstick was also included in the box. So the lipstick is just a nice natural color, but the gloss is what's going to transform the look.
I've yet to surrender to tales of forever, but never say never.
This is a really pretty color. The last product of this tutorial of this Holographic Magic look was also in the Holographic Magic box, and this is by the brand Cosmakery. Never heard of that brand. And it's the Lip Transforming Gloss. It's just a clear gloss, and I think it's gonna make it super sparkly.
Because I want to believe in the magic. Cast all your spells onto me. Touch me with your wand till the light shines through me. Come on, baby, let's get spooky. I don't know if it's real, but I want it to be. Like there's an element.
I wouldn't say that it's holographic by any means, but it's definitely super sparkly, and I feel like with the two, it looks my lips look like twice as plump as they normally are, like very voluminous. So that's really nice. Like, I could totally see myself using this product like a lot, and this is like very not popular brand at all. I could see myself totally repurchasing this because I see why they call it the Lip Transforming Gloss. Like, it literally transforms your lips, and you could make any lip product glossy or make any color make your lips more plump. I think that is beautiful. I really do like how this look turned out. I'm super impressed. I am super impressed with how this look turned out. Wow. The mascara was like the only flop, but other than that, this is just gorgeous. The lips are like my favorite. I just can't get over how this gloss makes my lips look so much more plump and like voluminous. Maybe it's just an illusion of mine. I'm sure it is, but it just makes it look more plump. And what I like about it is it doesn't have a taste. So that's good. No taste. No weird taste, just no taste at all. Here is the Holographic Magic makeup look from the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box.
Because I want to believe in the magic.
As you can see, that is the full look. I absolutely love it. I wasn't quite sure at first how everything would tie together and how it would be super glowy and holographic. I am super surprised, however, that they did not include a highlighter. I ended up using my own highlighter, but for this kind of look, like a holographic look, I thought for sure they would include some kind of highlight. I don't know, for just like the holographic glowy type of look, but I really like the highlighter that I ended up choosing. It's just very, like, it's a really good one, and it fits really well with this look. So overall, I'm so impressed. I still cannot get over that Cosmakery Lip Transforming Gloss. I'm thinking about purchasing one for you guys for a future giveaway. That's how much I love it. I don't often purchase some of my favorite products for giveaways. I get so much extra stuff from subscription box that I won't use and stuff. That's what I use to give away, just the extras or products I don't use in subscription boxes. But this gloss is so good. I think I might have to purchase one for you guys to try, for one of you guys to try in a future giveaway. So who knows, but that's it for this Holographic Magic look. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, I'll try to get caught up on these videos very soon, on these Sweet Sparkle videos. I hate being so far behind. So again, if you're interested in subscribing to them, be sure to use the link down below. This video is not sponsored. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.